Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and in today's video we're going to look on how to get Devin AI access. So the first step would be open the Devin AI's website. We have provided the link down in the description box. The link will take you to this page. This is the AI's official website. All you have to do is just scroll down, and here in Hire Devin you can see Devin is currently in early access. As we ramp up capacity to start using Devin for engineering work, please reach out here. Click on the text, please reach out here. We will also provide the link to this form down in the description box. And all you have to do is request your access to Devin by giving your information so the developers can give you access to use the AI. So first, record your email. So you have to click tick on it. Under what would you like to use Devin for, you can write the reason for what you're using Devin. You can even give your LinkedIn profile. For example, I'll give this John Jacob. You can also give your Twitter handle, and then you can also write your company name. And in brief, you can write what would be the first task you would give Devin to work on. For example, I'll write fix a bug from my game code. And after you write everything, after you fill all the details, simply click on submit. After you click on submit, your response will be recorded. The team will get back to you about whether you will get access or not to the AI on your email. So they will contact you on your mail ID. The time period of they responding you back may vary according to their terms and conditions, and this may take from a day to a week or 2 weeks. So be patient till you get your response back. I hope this video has helped you. Do like, share, and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.